welcome to my channel, and today I will show you Kalamputi. This is traditional Filipino food. So first of all I go to Dumaguete market. It's one of the biggest market on the islands, on few islands, and find nice small transparent fish. This is a baby fishes of unknown species, and it's popular in many countries, but in different countries they have different species, so it's impossible to identify it easily. So this is very small transparent fish with very big beady eyes. So let's take 1 kilo. It will cost 320 peso, which is about $6.50. And I will show you one of the traditional way of eating this fish, like they do it in Philippines. So I will make short video as well. This Dumaguete market is very popular within many islands, and many people go here to buy fishes to resell them later on their markets. So and now let's do Sawsawan sauce. Garlic, chopped chili, hot and not very hot, with juice from few limes, or as they call them, calamansi, and a little bit of coconut vinegar. And then just take this raw fish, mix with salt, and add a little bit of Sawsawan sauce, and you can enjoy it. This is one of the traditional Filipino way to eating this fish. You also can fry them, and later on I will show you how to fry it. To do not miss this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for an interesting video about cooking and life in the Philippines and England. Thank you, bye.